Principle of design, balance. Balance refers to the visual weight of the elements of the composition. It is a sense that the painting or sculpture feels stable, feels right. Imbalance causes a feeling of discomfort in the viewer. Symmetry, or formal symmetry. Symmetrical balance occurs when you have two identical sides of a design with a central point of axis. So if you cut the design in half, the left and right are mirror images of each other. To be considered perfectly symmetrical, a design needs to have equally weighted visuals on either side. Symmetrical design allows you to draw attention to all areas of an image equally. Since this form of design is usually very structured and rigid in nature, it's referred to as formal balance. For marketers, symmetrical design is ideal for projects like event invitations or discount offers, but can seem boring if used on more creative pieces. Symmetrical balance. Probably the most famous example of symmetry in art is The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. Every element of this painting is perfectly balanced and composed to draw the eye into the center figure of Jesus. See how the perspective lines of the wall converge towards him? Leonardo was well known for his love of symmetry. Asymmetry. Asymmetrical balance occurs when you have different visual images on either side of a design, and yet the image still seems balanced. To be considered asymmetrical, a design needs to have unequal visual weight on either side, but those unequal visuals need to balance each other. Asymmetrical designs can evoke feelings of movement and seem more modern than symmetrical designs, but it can be more difficult and less straightforward to create relationships between the design's visual elements. Not all symmetry in art and design is based on balancing the left and right of a composition. Radial balance refers to the art elements that spread out from the center point. When the visual weight of these elements is equally spread, the result is radial symmetry. Radial symmetry in architecture. The meaning of radial symmetry implies a center and a repetitive or continuous surrounding context. Many functional structures use the radial symmetry, such as stadiums, fortifications, etc. The radial structures simply place emphasis on the central area of the structure or place.